We have to assemble cement mixer. Don't stop. Now we need to fill it. Cement mixer. Press the pump. Done. Fill the first layer of concrete. We need to wash. Cement mixer. You're doing really great. We need to assemble drop side truck. Ready. Filling drop side truck. Press the pump. We did it! Finish the bottom of the pool. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Done! Hooray! To assemble drop side truck. Hooray! Now we need to fill it. Drop side pump. Keep it up. Build a formwork for the walls. Now we need to wash it clean. Drop side truck. Hooray! First, we need to assemble concrete pump. Hooray! Filling Concrete pump. Press the pump. Amazing! Fill the pool walls. Let's fix the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Keep up the good work. You're doing really great. Need to assemble. Drop side truck. Done! Filling. Drop side truck. Pump. You're doing really great. Lay the tiles. Now we need to wash it clean. Drop side truck. You're doing really great.